guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right behind me we have a beautiful 2012 Audi R8 in brilliant red with black leather interior. If you guys are looking for a beautiful under 21,000 mile piece, this is it. Today we're going to give you guys a comprehensive walk around and test drive and let you decide if you want to put this in your garage. Underside shots, full gallery, and the link below. Let's do it. Before we go into full details on this beautiful R8, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, please do us a favor and click on the like and subscribe button. Let's do it. Let's give this beautiful ride a rating. I would rate this easily an 8.5 out of 10. The reason for that rating, minor imperfections on the factory PPF. There's a small chip right here, and then the tires are from 2017, so they're a little bit older, but they have plenty of tread. Wheel condition is very nice. The paint condition is even throughout, and this is a clean Carfax car, so click on that link below, we'll have a link there. It does have the 18-inch factory PPF all the way to the front of the nose, and then the mirrors also have PPF too. Looking down the body lines, obviously this is Tony Stark's car. This is the coolest car ever. 420 horsepower, 0 to 60 in sub 4 seconds, and a top speed of 186 miles an hour. This is a great mid-engine car that you could jump in, have fun, all-wheel drive, so if you have snow, that'd be pretty fun. Let's spin it. Looking at the passenger side, same condition as the driver's side. You do have a couple of small imperfections, so I have a small little paint chip right here. Wheel condition on this side is the same as the driver's side, just minor markings from mounting the tires at some point. Let's look at the front fascia. First thing, let's test out these lights. So you have xenon lights. The front plastics on both of your headlights are in very nice condition. PPF is the original PPF, so you do have a little bit of wear just on the plastic, which is common for the age. Front bumper, very nice. You do have your sensors here, and then you have your Quattro badge because this is all-wheel drive. Front splitter is in nice condition. Just minor imperfections on the little chin splitter, which is common. Remember, this is a very low car, so you have to be careful when you get close to curbs. Underneath it is clean, but there are minor rashes on the bottom. Let's pop the front nose. Struts still operate, paint is even throughout. You still have your factory sticker in place. And I want you guys to look at all the plastic. The plastic is still black, it's not turning white or chalky. That signifies that this car was stored indoors and was taken care of. All of your plastic latches are very nice, and the carpet inside here, very clean. Rubber is still very supple, and the interior doesn't have any sort of water intrusion, so all of your carpets look good. I like it. Let's close it, take a look at the rear, where the important stuff is. So you have a 4.2 liter that produces 430 horsepower. So this has made it to a single clutch R8 transmission, so it shifts quickly. You have all-wheel drive, so it's split between the front and rear, and that allows for great traction, 0 to 60 in sub 4 seconds. All of your stickers are still present. All of your caps are still in great shape because of the mileage. Let's close this and jump inside. I am Tony Stark. Interior is extremely nice. Steering wheel condition with the flat deck. I love it. 8,000 RPM. Tachometer, 220 mile an hour speedometer, just under 21,000 miles. You have your navigation, you do have Bluetooth with this unit. Alcantara roof is in very nice condition, and the seats are very bolsterous and they feel good. There's no major wear on the side bolsters. Your power seats operate, and your door cards are in excellent condition. I love the black accents. You do have your R8 transmission, your climate control right here, little stowage box, an ashtray essentially. Passenger seat's very nice, and the carpet shows very well with no discoloration. My favorite part would be this. Listen to that. Sounds great. Lights operate. Nice white illumination inside here. Let's go for a test drive. All right, we're taking the R8 out for a test drive. We're gonna take it on to Marina Mile. We're gonna go through all the gears. Right now we have it in automatic mode. You do have the ability to adjust your suspension, so you can put it into sport mode. You also have a sport mode button here, which will change the parameters. We'll leave it in regular mode right now. Smooth shifts. Feels like you're driving a manual transmission, basically. Temperature's good. We do have a service wrench on. That's just for an oil change, which we can take care of prior to the sale. So I'm manually shifting right now. Radio operates. I actually like driving it in the manual mode better. And it sounds great, so if I downshift it, nice and smooth power band. I like it. If you guys have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. This is kind of a bucket list car. I've actually never driven an R8. I've driven the S4, which shares the same motor. Obviously different configuration. This is mid-engine. All right, let's test out the acceleration. Brakes are even. Feels good. Downshifting, put it back into manual mode. I love this thing. Brilliant red, black interior, carbon fiber accents. Big brakes. Beautiful. Taking the corner. Nice and smooth. Big bump, no issues. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm out of here.